Greetings fam, if you're thinking about stepping up your DIY projects or starting a small craft business, this Creality 72,000mW Falcon Pro 10W laser engraver with air assist might be the versatile machine you've been searching for. I spent hours digging into specs, expert breakdowns, and real user impressions from makers, hobbyists, and workshop communities across the internet so you get the honest truth before you buy. If you're already interested, go ahead and click the link in bio to check the best price while we break it down. First off, the 72,000mW output claim, which equates to a 10W class laser module, isn't marketing fluff. It reflects a diode laser that's a real step up from the tiny, 5W, hobby lasers most beginners start with. In real use, lasers in this power class have enough punch to engrave and cut a wide range of materials like wood, acrylic, leather, cardboard, paper, and with the right settings and surface prep, even light metal marking on coated or anodized surfaces. That versatility is exactly why many creatives and small business owners choose a 10W class laser when they want a single tool for all jobs. One of the biggest advantages many community reviewers highlight is the Air Assist feature included in this model. Air Assist actively blows away smoke and debris from the cut line, which translates to cleaner edges, reduced scorching, and deeper consistent cuts on wood and acrylic. For leather and paper projects, that difference in output quality is noticeable, and most people who try Air Assist don't want to go back to machines without it. Material compatibility is another strong talking point. Users on forums and review threads consistently mention success with engraving deep into wood, cutting thin acrylic sheets, etching leather designs, and marking coated metals like aluminum tumblers or nameplates. Note: bare stainless steel or raw aluminum often needs marking compound unless you supplement with special coating. That broad compatibility is a real advantage if you plan to do mixed media or offer custom engraving services. Software and workflow are also part of the experience. Most makers pair this laser with standard laser control software that accepts SVG, DXF, and bitmap file types, which means you're not locked into a single, proprietary ecosystem. Beginners note that there's a learning curve with power, speed settings for each material, but once you dial in preferences, repeatable quality becomes the norm rather than the exception. Of course, let's keep it honest. Even a 10W laser isn't a carbon dioxide machine, and it won't cut thick metals or industrial-grade materials the way specialized, high-cost lasers do. That's not a fault, it's just the nature of diode lasers, and owners online consistently remind newer buyers that these are desktop-class production tools, not industrial shop equivalents. Another practical point is safety and ventilation. High-power lasers generate smoke and fumes depending on the material, so good ventilation, proper eyewear, and safety enclosures are non-negotiable. Many users who test these machines indoors pair them with fume extractors or work near windows to maintain air quality, which is smart practice for any laser engraver. After researching this Creality 72,000mW 10W class Falcon Pro laser engraver across specs, real-world testing, and maker community feedback, I'd say it's worth buying if you want a flexible, powerful, and capable laser machine that handles wood, acrylic, leather, paper, and light metal projects well without needing multiple tools. It's especially good for creators, small business owners, hobbyists, and DIY enthusiasts who want one machine to do all the jobs cleanly and consistently. Click the link below for the best